Hey everybody, it's Brandon. Welcome to Funnel Amplified. And hey, this tutorial is designed to show you how to use the image editor tool in a couple little specific use cases. So if you're watching this video and we've not yet announced our new image library, know that that's coming, a place where you could actually just go into the platform, create images, edit the images, or load images, edit them, or find images on our free stock photos, edit them, and then save them into your own library. And that way you could use them for future social posts. You can use them as imagery for your content hubs, or you could even use them for images in your blog articles. So let me show you how to do that. I'm going to go through the route of a social post right now. It's the easiest way of getting to the image editor. So if you're going to create a social post, as you probably know, you click the plus sign to create a new post. And this is where you'll add your social message. I'm just going to put in some gibberish, and I'm going to choose Facebook because for this tutorial, I really just want to be able to get to the post image option. So in here, you have the option of being able to upload an image. Excuse me, if you have your own image that you already know you have, and it's one that you want to use. You can also click on the find image, and we have an integration with free stock photography from Unsplash. So you could choose things like, a blank phone, and you'll be able to get a return. And these are things like you could, choose this picture, and then we could do things like edit the image. And if you wanted to add a image, like let's say you want to put your logo on here, this is called mask. It's actually loading an image. We are working on getting that upgraded. I don't know why we use the term mask, but you can load an image. And I am going to take like our Amplify image, but you could add a logo, anything you want. And now you can resize it. You could place it where you want it. I know some of our customers have asked about always having an image in the lower right corner of their logo. You can do that as well. You could even then take certain of these different filters, and you can blur it. You can do a variety of different things if you want. You can change the brightness, things like that. So anyway, that is the way the image editor works. You've got a variety of different tools over here that you can use. Simple undo, redo, reset. Like, hey, you design it, you don't like it, click reset. It'll go back to the original image for you. Quick, another one, you could add text. You could choose different colors. Come over here and, write your message. And then of course, you can move it around, make it bigger. All that type of stuff is built right into it. Again, if you get something you don't like, you hit reset, and it'll reset back to the original image. And there you go. That's about it. When you're done, make sure you press save. It's going to load the image for you, and then you'll be able to view the post and then click into save and schedule. If you have any other questions, please use the help as usual. If you have a question, you want immediate help, of course, our live chat is down here in the bottom right corner, and we work hard to man that about 12 hours a day, working towards 24 as we grow. Thank you so much. We appreciate you, and have a wonderful day.